how's it going, guys? Here UJ, and guys, welcome back to another episode of UJ Guitar. So anyways, guys, so I have played this on my YouTube, but you may have realized which tune I have played. Yes, I have played the Radioactive tune on the guitar. It's a very famous song of Imagine Dragons. I started with this song. Now I'm not gonna give a full tutorial. If I give full tutorial, this is gonna be a really big video, and it's gonna be really, like boring. Like, oh god, what the heck is telling? Yeah, what the heck is telling? Yeah. Oh, anyways, so we're going to short one of the lines, which is really the name is only radioactive, which is radioactive. So when I mentioned it not, but let me just tell you. Okay, so it is E. So the most thick string is E, then A, D, G, B, E. Okay, thinnest is this E, and the thickest is this E. Okay. And the second thing you must know is your fingers should be real, fast, like, not like, oh, should not like this at all. Anyways, let's just start this song. Okay, anyways, again, be sure to subscribe to STUJ friend YouTube channel. So, anyways, let's get started. Okay, so the song is gonna be like this. Sorry about the muting there. Alright, so now you remember, like, what the heck did this play in the sound like this? Is it some sort of a line, some sort of chord? No, it's called pull-off. Now, people are aware of hammer. Like this is a nail, we are hammering it with our fingers. So pull-off is maybe, also use the hammers a lot, like. So here we are using only pull-offs. So let me tell you how to play pull-offs. So pull-off is gonna be real easy. Okay, so you press E string second fret, and then you pull the string down. Remember, do not play it like. No, only one time pluck it. Then push the string down like this, and then release it. So, okay. Now, if you're not understanding, you can go back and try it on your guitar. So, do not move on until I got this part done. This is an important part for the word radioactive. The radio word is important, and not like active and also S. So. Okay, so then you press your third fret on your B string, open E string, so, and again your B string open, so like, so let me tell you, E. Now you will know chromatic notes if you don't. You can do hundreds of channels. Be sure to learn because they are important in our future episodes of teaching guitar. Okay, so B, C, C sharp, B. So like D, E, D. Then go back to now. Do this part, not this part. Slow. Now you may get music like this. It's okay, but slow it. Okay. Then make it a medium speed, which is the speed for this one. Then 1, 2, 3. So then you go to the fifth string. Your first string. Or your E string, the thinnest string. Pluck it. Fifth fret 3 times. So then you do a pull off on 4th fret, then pluck it again 3 times, and then you are on your E string 2nd fret. So it's like this. Okay, so this was the main run for this channel. This song. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to #UJ. And if you want to know our future videos, you need to subscribe. Okay, if you don't subscribe, then you'll never know what the future videos are. So be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. #UJ.